Is it true that Eko Atlantic is empty and nothing is happening there? That was the same question I got from one of my clients. So I decided to do a tour to Eko Atlantic. So I'd like you to come along with me and come and see what is happening right here in Eko Atlantic. And this is Eko Atlantic, and I'm shocked to see what is actually happening in Eko Atlantic. So for that client who actually asked that question, I have a good news for you. Eko Atlantic is not playing. With what I have seen right here, by the time this place is done, Banana Island, Dubai, New York City will compete with Eko Atlantic with what I've seen. So for the client who said Eko Atlantic is empty, I have a good news for you right here in this tower. This is Phoenix Tower, 27 floors, comprises of 1, 2, 3, 4 bedroom penthouse. And as I walked through and I saw another popular tower right here, that one you are seeing ahead, and by the same company I saw another one right down there, and this is 33 floors inside Eko Atlantic. And I go around and I saw that truly Eko Atlantic is not empty, but it's a luxury property. You will only see few people who can afford it. So if you can afford it, you will know that Eko Atlantic is not empty. And okay, this is Phoenix Tower, and inside here we have 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom penthouse right here in Eko Atlantic City. You remember what happened 2024, dirty December? In Lagos alone, dirty December generates over 22 billion on shortlets, and this is high brown area where people are looking for. This place, hotel shortlets, was locked down, shut down. Why? Because of Nigeria coming in and they need a luxury place to stay. Now, Nigeria in abroad, you can actually own 1, 2, 3, 4 of this and turn it to shortlets. So this is one of the building you can key in, and I can assure you this is one of the best you can plug in right now. And do you know one juicy aspect of this tower? You can do 3 years payment plan. That is one. And all you need to do is 10% initial deposit. That's number 2. Number 3, this building you are seeing will be fully delivered in 2027. So payment, before you finish your payment, this building will be completed. So you can pick any of the units that you want right here. And once again, I'm sure you are aware that the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway is just in front of Eko Atlantic City down to Calabar. So the location, top notch. The building and structure here, wow. The payment plan, what else do you want? So this is one of the good offer, juicy offer I'm presenting to you right now. Nigeria in abroad, Nigeria in diaspora, Nigeria in Nigeria. This is Eko Atlantic. This is money, and this is where you can actually get return on your investment. So this is one thing you can buy and go and sleep. So for inquiries and inspection booking, you can give me a call on the number on your screen. Let me get you started. Remember, my name is Adisa Adewale, and welcome to your #1 Nigerian big real estate family channel. This is where you can buy property and you can also sell. So all you need to do to be part of this channel is to turn on the notification bell so that you can get updates on all of our subsequent video on real estate tips, real estate advice, real estate opportunity. Welcome to Eko Atlantic City. Welcome to Phoenix Tower. Welcome to Lagos, and welcome to New York City right here in Lagos, Nigeria. God bless you, and bye for